Have you recently seen ads for the Grizzly Fishing Pro sunglasses all over social media? The product is being promoted as an affordable fishing eyewear kit with polarized lenses, interchangeable styles, and professional-level visibility for anglers. But before spending your money, there's one important question to answer. Is Grizzly Fishing Pro actually legit? Or is it another online product buyers should avoid? After researching customer feedback, product claims, and third-party opinions, the answer seems fairly clear. Grizzly Fishing Pro does appear to be a real product, not a fake scam website. The sunglasses are designed specifically for fishing and outdoor use, with polarized lenses that help reduce glare from the water and improve visibility in different lighting conditions. According to the product details, the kit comes with multiple interchangeable lenses so users can switch depending on weather or water conditions. It also includes a carrying case and extra accessories, which gives it more value compared to basic budget sunglasses. One thing that stands out is the amount of positive feedback from anglers online. Many users claim the glasses help them see more clearly while fishing, especially during bright, sunny days. Some reviewers even mentioned that the performance feels surprisingly good, considering the lower price point. However, there are still a few things buyers should keep in mind. Some online trust-checking platforms rate the company somewhere in the middle rather than giving it a top safety score. This mainly comes from limited information about the brand and mixed signals found online. That doesn't necessarily mean the product is fake, but it does suggest customers should avoid expecting premium luxury quality. These are not high-end designer fishing glasses like expensive professional brands, but for budget-friendly fishing gear, they seem to offer reasonable value. So, final verdict: Grizzly Fishing Pro sunglasses do not appear to be a scam. They look like a genuine fishing accessory with decent features and many satisfied buyers. If you're searching for affordable polarized fishing glasses without spending a fortune, this product may be worth considering. Just make sure you keep realistic expectations and always research before buying online. Thank you.